Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact replacement part and securing a clean workspace. Once done, power the device down and remove any trays. Apply steady, even heat around the edge at roughly 60-80 degrees C to soften adhesive while you hold the suction cup. Slide a thin pick into the warmed seam and gently work a gap. Make small, continuous movements to avoid cracking the glass. You should see adhesive soften. If not, reheat briefly and continue with patience and controlled pressure. You proceed around the perimeter in short increments, lifting only a few millimeters at a time. This prevents sudden flex that could damage underlying components. Once you reach resistance, reheat that small section and try again rather than forcing it. If adhesive remains, apply a small amount of isopropyl or adhesive remover and wait 30 to 60 seconds before reattempting. Make sure to keep an eye out for antenna flex cables or sensors near corners, so you don't tear connectors as you clean the frame thoroughly with alcohol and a lint-free cloth, removing all residue so new adhesive bonds well. Once clean, test the display and touch functionality by temporarily reconnecting before final bonding. Apply manufacturer adhesive strips or a uniform controlled bead of adhesive. Align the replacement edge glass precisely, then press evenly from one side to the other to avoid trapped air. Clamp or wait for the recommended cure time. If touch is uneven or gaps appear, reheat slightly and reseat or replace adhesive.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.